In today's video, I will show you how to download all files from Google Drive at once. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! So Google Drive is a great storage which can be accessed anywhere on any devices to get access to files or backups stored on Drive, but it gives limited storage for personal use. It provides up to 15 gigabyte storage for free personal accounts. When it gets completely full, then you won't be able to store anything else or maintain your backup. Then the option you are left with either buy more storage, which is really expensive to be honest, or free some space by removing files from Drive that are not needed anymore. You can download it. So how to do it? To download all files on Drive at once, it's very simple. First of all, of course, you can open your Google Drive, and in here I will try to download files from these files. Voiceover reviews. Now I want to download all these files at once. How to do it? You can just block all the files like this, and you can go to download. You can select on download. Now your files is preparing download. You can just wait. Drive still zipping two files. You can just wait until Drive finish zipping your files, and your files will be downloaded. So now you can check on your download history. Here's your all your files on Drive that you just download. It's very simple, right? So that is how to download all files on Google Drive at once. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!